Hi guys, it's Jake over at Tucson Subaru. I wanted to give you guys a quick look at how to make a PIN access code for your vehicle, for your Subaru. Reason why you do this is because if you're going on a kayaking trip or through the river or just want to go for a run, it's really nice to be able to put your key in your car instead of having to lug it around or possibly misplace it. So this way you can put your key in your car and just have a code so you can unlock your car without your key. All right, so this process is very specific, so you want to take time to make sure you're doing all these steps correctly, and you'll have a code. So step one is to make a PIN for this vehicle. So the first thing that you do is have your key fob in your hand. You want to press and hold the lock button on your key fob, and at the same time you want to also press and hold the button, the PIN code access button right here. All right, so now we're hearing a little chirp. As soon as you hear the chirp, you're gonna go on your key fob, press the unlock button. Now it's ready to enter your code. It's a 5-digit code. So let's do 12121. So you're gonna press it once. It's gonna chirp, and then you're gonna press it twice, and then once again, twice, and once. Now it's asking me to put the PIN in again to make sure I put it in correctly. So we're gonna do the same thing. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. So now the car is locked and has the PIN on it. Okay, so now step one's complete. Step two, we're gonna do right now. You want to make sure that you're standing outside of the vehicle with all the doors locked and with the key fob in your hand. So that's the first part. Okay, first you're gonna press the unlock button one time, unlock the door, open the door. So you have to manually rotate the tumbler, the lock tumbler here to lock position. Okay, and then you're going to press and hold the lock and trunk buttons for 5 seconds. You're gonna hear a chirp. And so step two has been completed. What step two does is it actually disables the keyless access system and enables the PIN code access. That way you can choose when the PIN code works and when it doesn't. So that step has been completed now. So you're ready to walk away from the car, lock the key in the car, what have you. Now that I've come back from my trip, I'm gonna show you what it's like to unlock the car. So let's say we lock the car, threw our keys in the driver's seat here, close the door. And we're gonna go back here and enter the PIN, and it'll unlock the car. So 12121. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, and 1. That unlocks the car. So come back after your long bike ride or river trip. Your key's safe in the car. Haven't misplaced it. Last step to do is you actually want to close the door. This is step two again. So you're gonna close the door, lock all the doors. You're gonna hit the unlock button once, open the door, go to the tumbler, manually close it, and then you're gonna do the keyless access system re-enabled. So now the PIN code no longer works. So you hear the chirp. So just like before, same step. And so now your vehicle's back to how it used to be. The PIN code is still memorized, but you can't actually use the PIN code unless if you disable the keyless access system. If you have any more questions, I'd be happy to help you, or anyone else at Tucson Subaru for that matter. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a great day.